Hey everyone, I just wanted to make this video as I received my offer to study medicine at Bond University a couple weeks ago now, and that's been such a dream come true for me. And I really owe a lot of that success to Dr. Ray himself and MedEntry's program. And I know initially that it can be quite scary and daunting to go through this process that is getting into medicine. But now that I'm on the other side, I can confidently tell you that it is something that's really doable and really possible as long as you, of course, put that hard work in and, of course, place your trust in MedEntry's program. I think that's really important. If you know anything about getting into medicine at Bond, you'd know that there's this psychometric test, which was really quite scary for me because it was something that was really new and nothing really that I have really studied previously, like in high school or anything like that. So I really placed that trust, as I said, in MedEntry and went through their program. And they gave me all these great tips at answering questions and how to approach different scenarios and things like that, that I think really attributed to my success and getting that interview. And of course, for the interview, Dr. Ray himself had his online workshop, which I attended, and it's really quite invaluable to me as I was able to communicate with him personally and ask him any questions and, you know, get rid of any worries that I had regarding how to conduct myself in the interviews. And I think that really gave me that competitive edge on my other against other applicants and really led to my success. So overall, I just want to wish you all good luck and hopefully I'll see you guys in the future as fellow medical students at Bond University.